Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Thea George and I'm here with Luca Corsini from UniCredit. We're at Cybos 2017 in Toronto and we're talking about trends in transaction banking. Luca, thank you for joining me.
Thank you to you.
So tell me, what trends and innovations are you seeing in transaction banking right now?
Basically, I see two main trends. The first one is banks have realized that they need to cooperate with each other. I would say the good example is the digital trade chain project, where UniCredit is an active member for Germany and Italy. And there, the cooperation between the banks in trying to find a solution for the small, medium enterprise in terms of blockchain ecosystem, I would say is the more advanced project within certain environment in transaction banking. But the second aspect, still again about the cooperation, is the change of the relationship between retail and corporate angles in transaction banking. Let me explain what I mean. In the past, it was the big multinational, the big corporate needs, for example, in cash management, driving the innovation and the changes. Now we see, I would say, almost the opposite. It is in the retail space, you see most of the changes in innovation, which are probably driving the future, the innovation into the corporate space. So the perspective is completely changed compared to a few years ago.
So tell me, how do you see blockchain impacting transaction banking?
I would say, for sure, blockchain is a catalyst for an innovation in the traditional product in transaction banking. I would say the best example is GPI, where UniCredit is an active member. So blockchain can address specific needs, like in the cryptocurrency and settlement needs between banks and central banks. Regarding the future of blockchain as the main platform for transaction banking, I think this is something we still need to see really in the market.
So Fintechs, how do Fintechs play in the transaction banking environment, do you think?
The answer is again related to my distinction between the retail and the corporate space. I would say in the retail space, Fintech will play an important role. Cooperation with banks will happen, but there could be also conflicts between banks and Fintechs in the retail space. In the corporate space, I'm pretty sure the cooperation between banks and Fintechs is a must. I don't see really Fintechs going on their own on the corporate space.
So thinking about technology change and particularly the rise of non-bank platforms, how are you seeing the supply chain finance world change?
Regarding the role of the Fintechs in the supply chain finance, I see two aspects again. The first one is Fintechs are obliging the banks to look into a multi-bank neutral platform offered by the banks, and I would say Project Wilson is one of the examples. On the other side, especially for UniCredit, Fintechs cooperation in supply chain finance is a key. Not having a global platform, we can use Fintechs in order to enhance our proposition, our local proposition in terms of supply chain finance, and we were surprised by corporate clients really asking to share with them our experience, our due diligence, our exploration into the fintech market regarding supply chain finance. So basically UniCredit is trying to position himself as an advisor to the corporate how to pick up the right fintechs for the right opportunity in supply chain finance.
Luca, this has been great. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for watching.